Today I'm going to show you how you can make a bunch of money selling used mugs online. So let's get into it. So like I mentioned, today's video is all about the mug life, or mug club if you want to call it that. I'm going to tell you about selling used mugs online. That's all we're going to talk about. In my past videos, I go over several things. I sell private label items from China on Amazon. I sell retail arbitrage on Amazon, and I also sell on eBay as well. That's what we're going to talk about, just the mugs. So if you don't know, I know a lot of people know about Gary Vee. He did these like garage sale episodes where he wanted to show that you can literally make a bunch of money just flipping items at garage sales.
Mug life, mug life, mug life. She clearly wanted $2 for it. She didn't get it. She got one. I'm telling you, you're gonna see this Hanna-Barbera, but we were the first sale. But I'm telling you right now, wait till you see how I market this rare mug. Mug life, mug life. Man, 15. Picked up this mug. She wanted to. She didn't get it. She didn't get it. She got $1. Unicorn mug, mug life.
You really can make money doing that. That's not a joke at all. But one thing that he did at these garage sales, he bought a lot of used mugs, like coffee mugs and stuff like that, and he sold those online for money. And that's one thing that I didn't do. I've been doing garage selling and estate selling for a while, but I never sold like used mugs. That's just something, to me, like I didn't see there was much profit in it, so I didn't really do that. But now, like, I've watched those videos that he did, and I've actually been selling used mugs online for about a month now, and I've been doing fairly well. So the mugs that I'm going to show you today, I got all of these mugs last Saturday, all at one store, all at Goodwill. Goodwill, it's not like a high-end store, but they have tons of items that people just donate to them. And you can find some really good picks like this at stores like Goodwill or Salvation Army or stuff like that. Now, before we get into it, I just want to point out, I spent less than an hour inside this one Goodwill. I found a few other items besides the mugs, but we're just going to cover the mugs. So less than an hour for all these mugs, and I'm going to show you how much money I made off of these. I'll tell you exactly how much I made. But spoiler alert, I made a lot more money than most people do for an hour's worth of work. So most people, what they're doing an hour's worth of work, I made more money just going to Goodwill and picking through old mugs for an hour. But let's go ahead and get into it. And the first mug we're going to go over is this one I showed in the title of the video. This is the Santa Anita Oak Tree California cup. It's a special cup for the 1990 oak tree. This mug is old. This is almost a 30-year-old mug. That's incredible. It's in great shape. Either someone took really good care of it or it was just sitting in someone's garage and never got any use. But this is in great shape for a 30-year-old mug. And this was at Goodwill, guys. Okay, like I didn't like find this in some like secret like garage, like I don't know, whatever, some secret crypt or something. This was just at it was at a Goodwill. It's sitting on a shelf with a bunch of other mugs. So yeah, I put this on eBay. I paid $2.99 for this. The sticker says $4.99. It was on sale, so it was $2.99 for this mug. I sold it online eBay for $25.95. $25 off of a $2.99 purchase. Okay, one mug, 25 bucks. Thank you very much. You really can do this. This is not some joke at all. You really can make money selling these items. Next up, Lakers mug. This is another item. This is a very vintage Lakers mug. If it's a newer one, it probably wouldn't do that well. But the more vintage the item, the more money it's generally going to go for. And just going forward, any item that's like a sporting event or anything that's specific, like you can't just sell like a mug that says like world's greatest mother. That's probably not going to sell for much money. But if it's a special like 1990 inaugural cup, or you know, it's a vintage sports team that people really like, you can make good money on it. So this is a vintage Lakers cup. All of the cups going forward, they're 99 cents except for that big one. So this was a 99-cent purchase. I sold this for $18.95. Okay, I want that to sink in for a second. $18.95 is what I got off of a 99-cent purchase. And for all of these items, I want to point out the buyers, they're all paying the shipping. So I know in a past video someone got all mad at me. They're like, you didn't calculate shipping cost. I'm not paying the shipping cost, the buyer is. So yeah, so a bunch of money just off of those two mugs. So next up we have Michigan State. I'm not a big football fan. I'm much more like the Lakers. Huge Lakers fan when Kobe was playing. Not so much with LeBron. But I like basketball a lot more than football. But Michigan State, they're a popular college football team. So yeah, this is I don't think it's that old, but it's for anyone who's a Michigan State fan, they might want this mug. So this was, again, 99 cents. This one didn't sell as much as the Lakers because that was vintage cup and Lakers are huge. But this one sold for $11.95 for this Michigan State mug. I actually have to take off these stickers, but you can see it does say 99 cents on there. If you can see that, probably not. But yeah, I bought this for 99 cents, sold for $11.95. So yeah, just again, let this sink in. You really can do this. Again, you do have to look for mugs that are, again, like I said, a particular subject that people are going to be interested in. Sporting events, maybe a really good like old movie or a book or something. If it's a special kind of cup, it can sell for good money. Again, world's greatest mother, nobody cares because everyone has the world's greatest mother, apparently. But this last cup I have, this is a Newcastle. This one's not that old. It's not that particularly rare. There's quite a few of these selling online, so this one didn't sell for that much. But this was a 99-cent purchase. I sold it for $6.75. So that was the least. That was the one I made the least amount of money on. But still, for an easy, just picking through the shelves at Goodwill, that was some good money. Now to go over my final total, like I said, paid $2.99 for the Santa Anita cup, 99 cents for each of the other three. Total cost. It cost me $5.96 for those 4 items. Total value sold is $63.60. Minus what I paid for them is $57.64 for less than an hour's of work, guys. Okay? Think about that. Please, just think about that for a second. There are people working minimum wage out there. They're working their butts off. They're working very, very hard, and they're getting paid. I don't know what they're getting paid in your state. In my state, California, it's one of the most expensive minimum wages, so they're getting paid like $10.50, I think. I think it's up to that. I think it's up to like 10 something at this point is minimum wage. And I made $57 for less than an hour for no work. I just went to Goodwill. I went through the shelf. Like, oh, this cup looks really good. And I actually Googled like this cup before I actually bought it. But yeah, for very little work, I made $57.64 for an hour's worth of work. You could say it's a full hour because I did have to put some time in putting all these on eBay, putting the pictures up. But I do a ton of that now, so it doesn't take me a lot of time. But yeah, for an hour's worth of work, $57. Why are people not doing this? There really is. There's no reason why you can't do this on the side. You can do your full-time job, and then on a Saturday, like I did this on a Saturday, just hop on over to Goodwill or Salvation Army and dig through their stuff and find anything that sells money. Find anything that you can look up online on your phone. Hey, this is going for, $20 online. They're only charging me $2 here at the Goodwill. You really can make a bunch of money. So there you go. That is my Saturday haul. 1 day, 1 hour's worth of mug hauling. 4 mugs. That's all I bought. 4 mugs. Made $57 off of it. Please, guys, do some effort. You can do this too. This is not some scam. You can really make money selling used items online. If you like this video, be sure and subscribe. I'll have tons more great content like this, and I already have some great content on selling pops and a bunch of other things online, so be sure and check out those videos as well. Thanks, everyone, and have a fantastic day.